Learning that not all rubbish is rubbish. Anna's family knows from an early age that recycling is an important part of life in Sweden.
Now I have a big family. We are 5, and I have less garbage because the prefab food is more garbage, and now I cook food from scratch.
Her routine is the result of decades of work by the Swedish government to encourage its citizens to reduce, reuse and recycle. The actual rubbish Anna's family produces is minimal and is eventually put to good use.
And this is where Anna's rubbish ends up, in a waste processing plant in Uppsala. Every year, about 300,000 tons of waste is burned here, and that provides around 200,000 homes with heat.
I can say that 50% is household waste and 50% is industrial waste.
The Vattenfall plant relies on Sweden's rubbish to help heat the city.
And in the bunker there's a big claw, and that claw takes the waste up to the boiler.
The rubbish is piled up, sorted and then burned.
You can look inside here, and it's 1,000 degrees.
The heat produced here warms up water, which makes its way into radiators that heat homes throughout the city. But Sweden is so efficient at recycling that they actually import some rubbish from neighbouring countries to keep up with demand at these power plants. Some potential waste donors include the UK, Ireland and several African nations.
UK can be interesting in the future. We have done some test deliveries from UK, and it works. So it could be a market for the future.
And the idea of burning waste for heat is an economic boon for the country.
It's part of our energy system as well. So the municipalities earn money for the citizens, the environment is better, and of course for Sweden as a country, for our GDP, this is a very valuable technology.
While Swedes are doing everything they can to minimize their waste, the paradox is that they need more rubbish in order to help sustain their environmentally friendly agenda. Nyberg, Al Jazeera, Uppsala, Sweden.